Y'all, today's video is what word am I looking for? It's to honor Elvis Presley. And I'm gonna make him fried peanut butter and banana and honey sandwich. From what I understand, that was like his favorite that his grandma fixed for him, or an aunt. So it was somebody. But anyway, he liked crunchy peanut butter. I like creamy peanut butter. So I'm going to use the creamy. And this recipe will make like 4 sandwiches. Well, I'm not going to make but 2 because I don't know if I can count on Eddie and Teresa to help me eat them. So I'm doing this like halfway. All right, what I want to do is just spray my measuring cup a little bit so that honey will slide on out. And I'm going to mix 3 tablespoons. This could take a minute. 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm going to do this. 3 tablespoons of honey, and I think it's to like 3/4 a cup of peanut butter. That's a lot faster, isn't it? Okie doke. And spraying that sure does help anything sticky like syrups and honeys and all that come out so much easier. All right, so I'm just going to mix this up. I love peanut butter and honey. I eat an apple with my homemade peanut butter almost every day of the world. I just love it.
Every day of the world?
Every day of the world, yeah. I don't do that unless I have my homemade in the refrigerator, though. I don't like the store-bought so much. Okay, so I'm going to put about a tablespoon of cinnamon in there, and I got our pan getting hot over here. Now we're going to fry this naturally. He liked his fried in butter, from what I understand. So, who could blame him? That's certainly what I'd want to fry it in, too. Oh, my gosh. I was so crazy about Elvis when I was like 13. I got an album, and I took a picture of us close up. And it looked like we were together. I have no idea what happened to that picture, y'all. No idea. So now I've got that mixed up. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to mix up some more cinnamon with this sugar. And after we get these grilled, we're going to sprinkle our sandwiches with this. Now, you know, I have no idea if this is the way Eddie, Elvis, they both start with an E, y'all. If he liked his sandwiches like this, but we're going to go for it. All right, 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to break that down a little bit so it'll melt faster. But you just want to make sure you don't burn this butter, because if you do, you'll just have to start all over again. Now, while that's heating up, I got it on real low. I'm going to bump it up a little bit. And like I said, I'm just going to make 2 sandwiches. And I'm going to spread my peanut butter. See, my peanut butter, I make mine not as hard Because it's going to be hard to spread. I don't want to tear up my bread. There we go. We're about to get it. All right, now we're going to put some banana slices on it. These bananas are a little green.
I know. The store doesn't have the
I
ripe
know.
ones.
I know. I know. You can't. Bananas and avocados. They can cause me some grief.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can put as much peanut butter and as much bananas that you want to. Now I'm going to see if I can spread a little bit on this other side. Just so it'll help hold those bananas in. I've never seen peanut butter so thick, y'all.
It's the sticky honey.
Yeah, I guess that's what thickened it up. Okay, see, our butter is doing nicely, and there's lots of butter. I used what Elvis told me to. Here we go. One for Elvis, one for me. Because I want to make sure that butter gets on both sides of them. And if I didn't flip them over, all the butter would wind up on one side. So now we're just going to toast those until they're golden brown. I love you, Elvis. Oh, sneak peek. Sneak peek. Now I'm going to sprinkle this with sugar and cinnamon. Yum. Let's see what I got that on. Oops. Careful, Paula. All right. Look, my shirt. This is so dangerous, y'all. See why you shouldn't wear big sleeves in a kitchen. It can be dangerous. Elvis, I don't know if that was enough butter. Sure don't know. All right, that cinnamon made them like toasty and brown. I bet the kids would love this. All right, who's going to help me salute my Elvis?
Me.
Here you go, Teresa.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Wait, now we got to make a toast. Yum.
Listen, decadent.
It is decadent. Bon appetit.
Yeah, good taste.
He dadgum sure did, honey. Love and best dishes for all of y'all out there that were Elvis lovers back in the day. You got to try it.
Hey
y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.